fully motivated for my first title defense.
With much respect to Iberfly and his coach Mark and Team Lakai.
I think he's more on a striker, although he also have a good ground game.
To be honest, I cannot even give you a prediction. I feel like both of us at the peak of our careers, we're both very explosive.
So basically, I prepare mentally and of course spiritually and physically for this fight.
He's a beast. I think Edward is very adaptable. Every opponent, he'll change it up just a little bit to get that W.
You know, Team Lakay, we face a lot of criticism in the past, and yet we grow in those criticisms, you know.
But I feel like his wrestling has really improved in the last year or so.
Napakahaba ng dinala ko para maging area na ito, magkakadaan na to. So, hindi ko ito sasayangin.
I really cannot give you a prediction. I feel like it's a mirror match. I feel like we're both. It feels like I'm fighting my older brother. I think it's just gonna come to who wants to win the fight.
Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ko para mas marami pang mga may inspire at saka susunod na mga fighter. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi dito sa Asia.
It's nothing personal. It's not about where we're from. It's about who we represent and who we want to be.
I'm inviting them to come and watch and see themselves on their own how I evolve and how I improve as not only a champion but as a fighter.
This is my destiny. I know that if you want something, you got to put in that work.